Welcome to our new guys. Today is moving day. Hobby started since around 4. Hobby woke up since around 4. He's already looking stressed. We are going to take Jasmine's wardrobe down. Let me help him. Oh, Jesus. Hobby does not like to bother people. So he's doing things by himself. I helped him to clean Jasmine's wardrobe. As I was telling you guys, Hobby started packing some stuff since around. I cannot even really place it when it started, so I'm still panting. That Jasmine's wardrobe is very heavy, and we lifted it with the clothes inside. I just removed small, and the rest are inside. So now we are going with 2 cars. He's going to go with his own car, and I'll go with my car. He has already filled the boot of the other car. So we'll remove the things we can use our car to carry, and the remaining we are going to call van to come move them, because if they do everything, we'll pay so much money. So to cut costs, we are going to use our car to remove some. Then okay, see them. We are talk. She was dragging my hand to calm down so she can talk to you guys. Now I've showed her. See, she is ashamed. Shy. So you guys, we are leaving the house now to go to the other side. We just finished eating because it's already noon. I mean, I'm hungry. I'm not eating since morning, so I say I'll finish on fence. And I've been sick. You can see from my face. That's why I'm covering myself very well today. I have cold. We have limited time to pack all our belongings, and because the new occupant of this our current place, we also start packing in soon. I think in a week time. So we have to be done. You guys, we just left. I'm following Hobby. See, everywhere is filled up. Hobby is at the front, I am at the back, so I don't get to put Google map. So I'll just be following him gently. And today is Sunday, so I don't know how the roads will be busy. See you guys when we get there. See what the Lord has done. Can you see what the Lord has done? What we waited for have come to pass. See what the Lord has done. What we waited for has come to pass. See what the Lord has done. Welcome to our new home. Hey guys, welcome to our new home. Welcome. The space is now empty, although they still have some things to remove, but those things doesn't really matter, doesn't really count. You guys, I am so happy for this space. See, it looks so cute. I can't wait to start arranging and organizing this new house. Me that is very sick. See as I sharp my mouth. The house is echoing. Can you guys hear it? It's echoing. Shh. See my My Odogu, he's tired, I know, but you guys, we are so excited. See, we are bringing things in, like you guys already know. See, see our load, because we did not come to play. We brought a lot of things. No, you cannot play now. Let me drag my trouser up. This wardrobe mirror go yen. Jasmine, calm down. Don't spoil that. Calm down, my friend. So these are our properties that we are just bringing in. The center table, we mounted it in our old house. Some things that we are going to arrange. Jasmine, no. So this is the new house. This place, I'm going to paint this place. I'll paint it white. Or maybe I might leave it. I don't know yet. The place, they cleaned it up. Oh, you guys saw the last time we came. The workers cleaned it. This is shoe rack. I will do an unboxing for you guys anyways. These are things we got while we were still in the other house. This one is TV stand, but some things we are missing, so we don't know what to do yet with it. This place, you guys already know here. You already know this place for washing machine, laundry. This is the laundry part of the house. This is the passage. You guys already know. You've seen the place before. You see, this place, I have not cleaned anywhere. The workers cleaned every single place here. This is the kitchen. It's totally empty. It's totally empty. So we're going to look into that. And this part, this is the last room. And we still have some things here. But this one, I told you guys before, they are going to leave it because according to them, it's new. So they convinced us not to throw it away, that it's nice, that our kids can use it, and it's true. See, it's new. It's new one. But the mattress are too much. They will remove some. So I don't think I will really use this room, sha. But anyways, this is the other room. This is Jasmine's wardrobe. We tape it. We'll remove the tape later. This fridge will go to the kitchen. Table, it will be in this side when we are arranging. Hey, go Esther, go Esther, go Esther, hey. This door is for the bathroom. They are still coming to work on Monday, which is tomorrow, here in the bathroom. I don't know what they are going to do here, so they are still going to work in the bathroom. So I have a lot of work to do in this bathroom. So yeah, that is it for the house. Are you guys excited for me? Yes, I know. I know. This place is cold. The whole windows, I opened all the windows. What happened? Why are you running? What happened? Huh? Dog? There's dog outside. Is that why you're running? So I didn't tell you guys that this house is 3-bedroom and storage with what's it called? Laundry room, toilet, kitchen, and parlor, living room area. So the house is quite big enough for our family of 4. Apart from this room that is quite small, this first room here, okay, I've off the light. This first room here, which is supposed to be like the family room, but it's quite small compared to our current place there. That room there, very, very big, but this one is quite small. But above all, the house is okay. We love it. It's just perfect, and it has a garden outside. So this is an independent house. We are not sharing anything with anybody. It's just us and us alone. That was why I told you in one of my vlogs, and I said it's a home and not a house, like a home. So I won't show you guys the outside now because we are not done. So we need to like arrange the outside, put carpet grass in the garden area and all that. So anyways, we're about going home. We'll see you guys the next time we come. Just drop that glove. You touch too much. I'll see you guys in my next one. I never showed you guys this place. This is a storage, but so many things are here that still need to go. These are their things that they used in working. They need to come carry it tomorrow. They will empty this place. So this is the storage. Jazzy, come out, come out, come out, come out. What are you looking for there? What's that?
Chicken fry pop.
We came back and gave the kids dinner. We have not even really rested, but I need to clean this my deep freezer. Hobby might also pack some things tomorrow before you go to work. So I want this freezer to go. I defrosted it 4 days ago. Maybe 5 days ago, I don't know. Like it took 4-5 days to fully defrost because the weather is still cold. So now I'll have to clean it. Do you guys know what time it is? 8:29 p.m. This is 8:30 p.m. I need to pour hot water inside. My house is in a mess. If you judge me, now you can't know what they do you. Like the house is literally in shackles. Everywhere is turned upside down. After now, I'm going to take a very, very, very warm bath. A very warm bath. It's not like I've not cleaned this deep freezer for a long time. I have, but the humidity in this house always make my deep freezer to get somehow dirty. Like there's a way to be looking like it has humidity. So you guys, I am done. Thank God. It took about 30 to 40 minutes to finish up with this. So I am done. It's looking all clean. No. Oh God, packing is not easy. I don't even like packing and arranging. It's not easy at all. Let me show you guys close look. So this is what it's looking like. All these signs you are seeing are marked. Now I'm if the thing is very blocked, I cannot remove. Just carry a mark. That's all those places are looking like that. So I'm done.
Thank you for watching.